Okay, so now we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 1 of organization of commerce. So you will be having two subjects in theoretical aspect. The first one is organization of commerce and the second one is economics. So we are going to start with chapter number 1, nature, purpose and scope of business. Okay, so the first topic that we are going to study is human beings. Now, whenever you talk about human beings, you might be doing several activities. As a human being, you shall be waking up, going to school, going to job, going to business, someone going to the medical store, right or wrong, someone going to the hospital to perform work as a doctor. So everyone in this world is engaged into doing something. Okay, so whatever a human being is doing can be classified into two broad types. Getting and understanding what I'm trying to teach. So human beings, whatever activities the human beings are doing are classified into two types. Okay, the first one is economic activity and the second one is non-economic activity. So if human beings performs any work in their life, it are divided into two types: economic activity, non-economic activity. Now, what are economic activities? All those activities which you do to earn money shall be called as economic activity. Getting an idea? For example, if you are going to work at a particular office, it shall be called as economic activity. And what do you understand by the term non-economic activity? Whenever you are doing something not to earn money but for charity, it is called as non-economic activity. So I hope the first difference is clear from here. Economic activity, economic related to money. So whenever you as a human being, you do anything to earn money, that activities shall be called as economic activity. Second one is non-economic activity. Whenever you carry out any work not to earn money but for satisfaction, but for charity, it is called as non-economic activity. Now when you talk about economic activities, what you as a person, just think, you are a person, you want to earn money, what can you do? You will go to job, right? Now job is called as what? Economic activity, because you are doing job to earn money. So if you will do job, you will get salary, that is money. Or you can do business. Now if you are doing business, you will earn profit. Is it clear? Now the second one, non-economic activities. What is it? Charity, right? What do you get by doing charity? For example, if you are involved in charity, you will get satisfaction. Is it clear? Okay. Now, this was the first one. In a nutshell, let's discuss it again. Economic activities, all those activities which are carried on for earning money, right? Non-economic activities, all those activities which a human being is doing not to earn money but to earn satisfaction. Now next one, types of economic activity. Now there are two types of economic activity. A human being doing anything to earn money can be of two types. Broadly there are three types, but the third type shall be discussed in the class because it is relatively new for you people, so I'm not focusing on it. So right now, types of economic activities are of two types: job and business. So if you want to earn money, right, if you want to do economic activity, you can either go for job or you can either go for business. Types of economic activity, non-economic activity, I'm sorry, I have to rename it over here. Okay, what is the type of non-economic activity you can do? That is only charity. That is only charity. You can only do charity. So types means example. Example of economic activity, job and business. Example of non-economic activity, charity. Okay. Now risk. What do you understand by the term risk? Everyone is having a risk factor. Risk factor means you want to do something and you fail. You fail is the risk, right or wrong? For example, you people gave 10th examination, right or wrong? Now after giving your 10th examination, right now you are in 11th, right? In your 10th there is a risk. What is the risk? That you might fail. So failure is called as risk, and risk exists in everything you do, because anything you do shall have two consequences. The first one shall be, okay, either you can pass. The second one can be either you fail, and if you fail, this is called as risk. Now same thing happens in economic activities. There is a risk in economic activity. Now economic activity means you are going to earn money. For that you will do job or business. Now if you are doing job, there is a risk that you can lose the job. If you are doing business, there is a risk that you can make loss in business, right? Now, do you think there are any risk in non-economic activities? I don't think so. There are any risk in non-economic activities. You are giving charity. There is no risk. Now we will discuss everything once again in Hindi for your better understanding. ठीक है ना? तो टॉपिक जो हम आज स्टडी करने वाले थे वो कौन सा है? ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़. जब आप ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ की बात करते हो तो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ दो टाइप की होती है, या एक ह्यूमन बीइंग जो भी एक्टिविटी करता है उसकी ज़िंदगी में, वो दो टाइप की एक्टिविटीज़ में क्लासिफाइड है. पहला है इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी और दूसरा है नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. अब जब आप बात करते हो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी की, तो आप जो भी काम करोगे और पैसे कमाने के लिए काम करोगे, दैट इज टर्म्ड एज इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़, राइट और रॉन्ग? जब भी आप कोई भी काम करने की ट्राई करते हो और वो काम में से आप पैसे बनाते हो, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. और इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी दो टाइप की रहती है. अगर आपको पैसे बनाने हैं तो आपको जॉब करना पड़ेगा या फिर बिजनेस करना पड़ेगा. नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी मतलब आप जो भी काम करते हो और उसके अंदर आप सोचते हो कि आपको चैरिटी करनी है और पैसे नहीं कमाने, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. और नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी में से आपको सैलरी मिलती है, आपको प्रॉफिट मिलता है? नहीं, आपको मिलता है सेटिस्फेक्शन. क्लियर? अब पैसे कमाने के लिए दो टाइप है, एक है जॉब, एक है बिजनेस. और नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी में एक भी टाइप नहीं है. नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी में रिस्क नहीं है. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी में रिस्क है कि आपकी जॉब जा सकती है, आपका बिजनेस जा सकता है.